Hi and welcome to this video. Today's burning question: how do I start a freelance business? Stay tuned and watch until the end because the essential steps and guidelines that I am about to reveal to you can help you to start your own online freelance business more easily. And just very quickly, please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and give the video a like because that really does motivate me to make more content for you. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at a few reasons why you should start a freelance business. It can give you more flexibility and independence. Running a freelance business offers the flexibility to work during your most productive hours. Moreover, you have the independence to choose the clients and projects that resonate with you and align with your interests. This flexibility enables freelancers, workers, to achieve a better work-life balance, helping them to prioritize personal development and pursue other activities outside of work. Freelancing can give you a large earning potential. As a freelancer, you can earn more by leveraging your skills, expertise, and reputation in the industry. Unlike traditional jobs where a fixed salary may limit your income, the freelance industry allows you to determine your own worth. As you build a solid client base, your earning potential becomes virtually limitless. Therefore, you can increase your income exponentially. If you keep working towards it, freelancing can provide you with financial stability and the ability to save for retirement. Let me now give you some practical steps to launch your new freelance business. Here we go. Step number 1, choose a freelance niche. Selecting a niche that aligns with your skills, interests and market demand is crucial when starting a freelance business. Here are a few reasons why. Expert positioning. By focusing on a niche, you become an authority in that field. Future clients are more likely to trust you when they see you as a specialised expert, which can lead to increased demand for your services. Attracting prospective clients. A well-defined niche helps to target your ideal clients effectively. When catering to a specific audience, you can tailor your services to address their unique needs, delivering exceptional value. A niche that aligns with your skills and interests enables you to deliver value to the target market. Your expertise and passion will be evident in your work, leading to satisfied clients and potential referrals. There are a few ways to identify a profitable niche. First, I suggest you start by evaluating your skills, strengths and area of interest. Consider what you are passionate about and what you excel at. These qualities will drive your motivation when you start freelancing. Then you want to conduct market research to discover the demand for services within various niches. Look for a relevant freelance industry experiencing growth. Understanding the market demand ensures that your chosen niche has a sizable pool of potential clients. Once you pick a niche, the next step is to do a SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. It can provide valuable insights into your chosen niche's potential for success. The next one is strengths. Identify your strengths in the chosen niche, such as specific skills or experiences that set you apart from competitors. Leverage these strengths to build a strong foundation for your own freelance business. The next one is weaknesses. Recognize where you may have limitations or areas for some improvement. Addressing weaknesses early on helps you proactively work on skill development and overcome potential challenges. Another one is opportunities. Explore opportunities within the niche, such as emerging trends or untapped markets. Capitalize on these opportunities to expand your client base and increase your own business growth. Another one is threats. Identify potential threats or challenges that may impact your success in the niche. Understanding and preparing for threats will enable you to develop strategies to mitigate risks. Now let's explore some popular freelance business ideas to help you get started. The first one is web designer or developer. Create attractive and functional websites using coding or no-code site creation platforms. You can take care of every aspect of web development, including hosting and optimization or just web design. Another one is photographer. Capture meaningful moments for clients through photography. Specialise in genres such as portrait, product or even photography to meet diverse client needs. The next one is video editor. Transform raw footage into compelling videos for marketing and social media purposes, combining your storytelling skills with technical expertise. The next one is graphic designer. Craft a visually engaging graphic design for multiple projects such as banners, ads, and promotional materials, helping businesses establish their brand identity. The next one is copywriter. As a freelance writer, you make persuasive written content for marketing materials, website copy, and social media posts, communicating your clients' messages to their target segment. Another one is data analysis. Analyze and derive insights from diverse data sets, helping customers make data-driven decisions to optimize their operations. The next one is search engine optimization SEO consultant. Optimize clients' website content to improve search engine rankings and increase organic traffic in search engines like Google and Bing. And another one is artist. Create and sell handmade crafts through local and online marketplaces. Here is step 2. Set up the freelance business. As a self-employed individual, setting up your freelance business involves handling legal and financial aspects independently. This includes crafting freelance business contracts and managing your annual revenue. Let's explore the key steps to establish your freelance business for success. Choose the right business entity. One of the initial steps in starting a freelancing career is to register as a freelancer. You have several options to establish your business entity, such as with its own legal implications and tax considerations. The most common business entity for self-employed freelancers is a solo proprietorship. Operating as a solo proprietor means you and your business are considered one legal entity, providing a simple setup for your freelance business. Alternatively, you may consider forming a limited liability company, an LLC. This structure separates your personal assets from business liabilities. As a business owner, this choice offers greater security for your personal finances. The next step is to obtain the necessary licenses and permits. To operate your freelance business legally, you may need specific licenses based on your location and the nature of your work. Research the licensing requirements in your area and ensure you obtain any necessary permits for small businesses. Seeking advice from local authorities or professional advisors can help you navigate this process more smoothly. Complying with legal regulations not only safeguards your freelance business, but also builds trust with your clients. Being licensed will assure them of your commitment to professionalism and adherence to ethical practices, fostering positive relationships. The next step is to set up a separate business bank account. Maintaining a clear distinction between your personal and business finances is a smart strategy for setting up a freelance business. I suggest you open a separate bank account dedicated solely to your own business transactions. This simplifies accounting, making it easier to track income and expenses related to your freelancing work. Having a dedicated business bank account also streamlines your operations. It demonstrates a clear distinction between your personal and business finances, helping you manage your revenue efficiently. Let's move on to step number 3. Select a platform to run your freelance business. Having a business website is essential for freelancers to enhance credibility and visibility in the competitive market. Hostinger is a good choice and an ideal web hosting service for your site, with features tailored to meet freelancers' needs. Other web hosting features for freelancers include free domain name. You can get started with a professional domain name that reflects your brand identity. 24/7 customer support. Hostinger's multilingual dedicated customer success team is available to assist you with any technical issues. Another one is fast website speed. Utilize Lightspeed web server technology and advanced cache solutions to optimize website loading times. Another one is free SSL certificates. Encrypt your website's traffic with unlimited SSL certificates, earning your visitors' trust. The next one is distributed denial of service, DDoS protection. Defend your website against DDoS attacks with Cloudflare protected name servers. Another one is automatic backups. Safeguard your files with automatic backups to prevent data loss. Another one is 99.9% uptime guarantee. Ensure your website is up and running around the clock to provide reliable service for clients. And the next one is global data centers. You can benefit from Hostinger's worldwide data centers for low latency and fast loading times. The combination of these essential features, reliable hosting and excellent customer support, makes an online service like Hostinger the ideal platform to help freelancers establish and grow their online presence. Here is step number 4. Price your freelance services. Pricing freelance services correctly is crucial for attracting clients while ensuring your work is adequately compensated. I suggest you consider factors like your skills, experience, market rates, and the value that you provide to paying clients when devising your pricing strategy. I suggest to strike a balance between profitability and competitiveness. There are several pricing models for freelancers. The first is project-based pricing, where you set a fixed price for the entire project based on its scope and complexity. An alternative to that is retainer pricing. This is when you offer regular clients the option to retain your services for a specific period, providing predictable income for you and ongoing support for your customers. A popular pricing model is hourly rates that charge based on the number of hours worked, suitable for projects with uncertain or evolving requirements. It forms the basis for daily or weekly rates, which are ideal for longer term projects needing flexible pricing. To understand which approach is right for you, here are some steps to help you determine your pricing. Research market rates. Look up average rates in your niche and location to position yourself competitively. The next thing is to assess your expertise. Consider your skills, experience, and unique value to adjust your rates accordingly. Next, you need to evaluate project requirements. Examine the task complexity and the deadlines to set appropriate pricing. And then you need to analyse competitors. Be aware of competitors' rates without undervaluing your work. Once you set your rates, it's important to communicate the value of your services to customers. Emphasise the results, efficiency, and expertise that you bring to the table. It's also crucial to test and adjust as you go. Remain adaptable and periodically review your rates to stay competitive and reflect your value. Let's move on to step number 5. Build your freelance brand. Building a freelance brand is crucial to stand out in a competitive market. Your brand reflects who you are, what you offer, and how you provide value to clients. By crafting a compelling brand, you can attract the right audience and set yourself apart from other freelance businesses. The first step is to define your brand identity. Start by understanding your values, mission, and unique strengths. Determine what makes your services special and how it can benefit your target clients. Then decide on the tone and personality you want to convey through your brand. You could start by brainstorming keywords that reflect your freelance business, like creativity, innovation, or reliability. The next step is to design a professional logo. A visually appealing logo is the cornerstone of your brand identity. I suggest to create a professional logo design that represents your brand and resonates with your target audience. Your logo should be easily recognisable across different platforms and mediums. However, getting a professionally designed logo is expensive, while designing a logo yourself can be time consuming. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one step or idea from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. Are you looking for a way to create a second income online? Well, I've got something special for you. Click the link below to join our free exclusive webinar on creating a second income online. This isn't just a video, it's your ticket to a game-changing opportunity. Don't miss out. Make sure you check out that link and go through to my website, and I'll see you at the webinar. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it, and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching.